One of Spokane's vulnerable populations is those without a home. Their chances of being infected with COVID-19 is just as likely, and that's why one organization is finding new ways to help them and others they serve. 4 News Now's Elenee explains Catholic Charities' new plans to help.
Catholic Charities is about to turn this room into an overflow shelter for women coming from the House of Charity building to practice social distancing. But this room can also be used as a quarantine room if need be.
There's a shower and a bathroom here for whoever might be sick. The room is also secured from the rest of the building.
We've planned for this actually for a couple years.
Catholic Charities of Eastern Washington is prepared for any type of infectious disease outbreak because there was a norovirus outbreak a few years ago at the House of Charity.
We have all kinds of policies and procedures for these exact events. In fact, we started building quarantine rooms into our housing a couple years ago.
That is what you're looking at right now. McCann says the organization is ready and they have options for the people they serve.
We're not going to leave the poor and the vulnerable, those who are fragile and afraid. That's all of us now, and we're not going to leave anybody.
One population they help, who he didn't think needed it before, is the elderly. But since they can't walk the streets to get food, he's asking others to help out.
We have a Shopping Angels program that we just started the other day where people can, as they're shopping for themselves, be an angel for one of our seniors who's in need and buy a bag of groceries, non-perishable food.
Just like many other places, staff are cleaning a lot more often too.
And we're making sure that everyone is washing their hands and we're cleaning the buildings every single day. In some cases, we're cleaning the building at House of Charity every few hours.
When and if the spread widens in Spokane, McCann says they'll always be there for the vulnerable.
It doesn't matter now, rich or poor, homeless or billionaire. We're all breathing that same air. We all have those same fears. We're all together in this. We're all afraid in this. We're all suffering through this, but we'll get through it together.
In Spokane, I'm Elenee, 4 News Now.